Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best Zenapoki Dog Toys 3-in-1 is probably one of the most versatile and engaging options available for pet owners looking to keep their furry friends entertained and mentally stimulated, offering a unique combination of features designed to cater to a variety of play styles and canine personalities, ensuring that your dog remains happy, healthy, and well-behaved through consistent and enjoyable interaction with a single, innovative product that promises to be a game-changer in your pet's playtime routine. Number 5. Barkbox Consuela the Cactus 2-in-1 Interactive Plush Dog Toy. Say hello to your furry friend's new favorite companion, Consuela the Cactus. This cuddly toy is packed with fluffy stuffing and exciting interactive elements, perfect for endless chewing and squeaking fun. Get ready for double the fun with this innovative 2-in-1 design. You can tear it apart to reveal a surprise toy hidden inside, offering layers of excitement for your pup. Does your dog love a good crunch? This plush toy is made with non-toxic materials and features crinkle layers that add an extra sensory experience to playtime, ensuring safety and enjoyment. Keep boredom at bay with this versatile toy, suitable for both indoor and outdoor play. It's a fantastic addition to your pet's active lifestyle, providing enrichment for dogs of all sizes. We're dedicated to making dogs happy, and this toy is no exception. It's designed with your pet's joy and well-being in mind, reflecting our mission to serve the pups we love. What we like? This toy offers a unique tearable design, revealing a second toy inside for extended fun. If you have a dog who loves to shred and discover surprises, this is the perfect choice. It provides a multi-layered play experience that keeps them engaged. What people say? It took them over a year to break through the first layer. The flower comes off first, so be careful your dog doesn't swallow it. It still has the second layer, so it still looks like a cactus. No stuffing to clean up when they tear into it, which makes it far less messy than other toys. Our dogs love these toys, and they are the most durable we can find for our heavy chewers. They really like the ball inside as well. This has lasted a long time. She destroys even the tough, long-lasting toys within minutes. The only issue I have with it is that the squeaker is still alive. She has refused to utterly destroy the ball at the center of the cactus. Number 4. LILFRD Snail Dog Enrichment Toy. Introducing the latest in dog enrichment. Simply hide treats inside, roll it up, and watch your dog engage in a fun, slow-feeding puzzle. It's designed to stimulate their natural foraging instincts and extend playtime. Unroll this toy and it transforms from a snail into a long snake. It's perfect for interactive games like tug-of-war, shaking, or fetching. The built-in squeakers and crinkle sounds will keep your dog happily entertained. Crafted from thick velvet and soft cotton, this toy is built to last. It's chew-resistant and reinforced for durability, making it ideal for teething puppies and promoting dental cleaning. With its vibrant yellow, orange, and red colors and adorable design, this toy is sure to comfort and delight your furry friend. It makes a wonderful gift for any occasion, from birthdays to holidays. Keeping your dog's toys clean is important for their health. This toy is designed for easy washing, ensuring it stays fresh and hygienic for your pet's enjoyment. What we like? This toy combines treat dispensing with a longer, tug-of-war-ready design. If you're looking for a way to slow down your dog's eating and provide mental stimulation, this is ideal. It's also great for dogs who enjoy a good tug session. What people say? The pockets are big enough to stuff them full of tons of kibble or treats. She has so much fun playing with and pulling it apart and getting to the good stuff inside, and the crinkly noise is a bonus for her as well. The colors are still bright after a month of being gnawed and chewed on. He loves playing tug-of-war with it, though the strings are not standing up too well to that. There are 3 of them, so he has choices. Plus, he has an extra when missing one. I think they are wonderfully well made and shaped well to fit for him to chew on. He hasn't torn any stuffing out of it and tears either despite his daily rough play. He likes the low sounding squeaker. Low and now loud and annoying. The materials have a nice smooth feeling and no rough material. It is easy to throw for him. Light but enough weight to send it through the air. Love that all of the toys squeak. Very happy with this purchase. Number 3. Jalousie Dog Squeaky Toys Value Set, 3-pack 2-in-1 Plush. Get more for less with this super value set. It includes multiple popular TPR rubber dog squeaky toys in vibrant colors. We've selected high-quality TPR rubber materials to ensure these toys are non-toxic and lead-free for your pet's safety. The spiky surface is designed to clean your dog's teeth during chewing, providing dental benefits while they play. These toys provide hours of fun and are perfect for toss and fetch games. They are also waterproof. Use these toys to teach your puppy commands like to drop it or bring it, adding a fun element to training sessions. While durable, these toys are not indestructible. We recommend supervised play and replacing them when they show signs of wear. What we like. This is a super value pack featuring spiky TPR rubber toys. If you need durable, non-toxic toys that also help clean your dog's teeth during play, this set is a fantastic option. They are perfect for toss and fetch games. What people say. They are reliable and he truly enjoys them daily. Squeaker are good and make it a real treat for the dog. These have endured 2 weeks of mauling so far and still produce a chipper ikaka. My dog loves these balls. It appears quite appealing with its varied colors. Number 2. Legend Sandy Squeaky Dog Toys 12-pack. Discover a delightful collection of 12 plush animal toys, perfect for your furry friend. This vibrant set offers a fun and engaging playtime experience for dogs of all sizes. Each toy features a squeaker designed to capture your pet's attention and provide hours of entertainment. They're made with durable stitching to withstand playful bites. These soft, cotton and plush toys are ideal for teething puppies. They offer a comfortable mouthfeel while helping to keep your dog's teeth clean and healthy. Designed to mimic lifelike animals, these toys tap into your dog's natural hunting instincts. Chewing is a healthy way for them to release energy and stay stimulated. We are committed to providing high-quality pet toys. These toys are machine washable for easy cleaning and are best suited for light chewers under supervision. What we like. This pack offers a huge variety of 12 cute, stuffed animal shapes. If you have a puppy or a small dog who loves plush toys and you want a cost-effective way to provide multiple options, this is the one. They are also machine washable for easy cleaning. What people say. Despite near a month of tugging on the legs, none have ripped off. My staffy seems almost offended he can't get this one to shred. This spider is huge. It's so nice. My 3 boys love it. They love chewing on all the legs and it's so big that they can all lay around it and each chew on a leg at the same time. They also play tug of war with it at times. It's stuffed with a cushiony material. It does not bounce. It's lightweight. Has no smell. It's so much fun for my boys. Love it. It has great durability as my one boy who literally destroys all his toys has not broken it and they've had it for 3 months so far. The legs are so strong and can be used for tug of war and they are crinkly and he loves it. Number 1. MindWare Make Your Own Doggy Day Camp Deluxe Kit. Looking for the perfect gift for the dog lover in your life? This premium activity kit is thoughtfully curated for those who cherish quality time with their furry friends. It includes a full set of agility style and enrichment challenges, like obstacle cones and target mats. There are endless ways to keep your dog mentally engaged and physically active. This kit encourages shared play, communication, and confidence-building exercises. It's ideal for strengthening trust and deepening your relationship through fun, rewarding experiences. You can create your own doggy day camp in the backyard, at the park, or on the go. Its portable and beginner-friendly design makes active play part of your regular routine. This deluxe outdoor activity kit is perfect for anyone who loves spending real, quality time with their dog. It's a great way to bond and have fun together. What we like. This is a deluxe outdoor activity kit with over 20 challenges. If you're a dog lover looking to strengthen your bond with your furry friend through interactive play and training, this kit is perfect. It's designed for quality time and mental engagement. What people say. My 10-year-old granddaughter loves this and found it very easy to follow the directions. My daughter loves it and does play with our dog with it. They are delighted. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.